They thought they were making buttons, lipstick tubes, even light bulb filaments. But in truth, they were building the weapon that would end the most devastating war in history. America's secret army of women, hidden in plain sight. Stay till the end, because what they didn't know could have destroyed the world. Subscribe for more dark World War II secrets like this.
It was 1943. Deep in the hills of Tennessee, a new town appeared, one that didn't exist on any map. It was called Oak Ridge, a place so secret, even its workers didn't know why it existed. Behind barbed wire fences, thousands of young women arrived daily, their hands stained with oil, their eyes tired from 12-hour shifts. They were told one thing only: do your job. Don't ask questions. Trains brought them from across America. Farm girls, teachers, factory workers, each sworn to silence under threat of prison. No one, not even their families, could know where they worked. Their tasks seemed ordinary. They turned dials, monitored gauges, filled containers with mysterious powder. No one explained what it was. All they knew was the men in suits watched every move they made. Some women joked, maybe we're making wartime perfume. Others whispered, maybe it's poison gas. But no one dared ask, because at Oak Ridge, curiosity could cost you your freedom. They didn't know it then, but those machines, those endless pipes and whirring dials, were enriching uranium. They were building the atomic bomb. Scientists from across the nation worked nearby, in top secret labs. But the women, they were kept in the dark. Each one just a small cog in a machine too big to understand. Posters on walls reminded them, loose lips sink ships. Armed guards patrolled every hallway. Letters home were censored. Even a casual conversation on a bus could lead to arrest. Yet, despite the fear, they worked with pride. They believed they were helping their boys overseas, fighting for freedom. They laughed, sang, danced on weekends, never knowing the world-changing secret beneath their feet. By 1945, Oak Ridge had grown into a massive secret city. 75,000 people, most unaware of what they were building. Electricity usage rivaled that of New York City. But no one outside had a clue. Then, in August 1945, the truth dropped, literally. When the bomb fell on Hiroshima, silence filled Oak Ridge. That's when they realized they had built it. Some wept, some cheered. Some couldn't believe their hands had helped create such power. A power that ended the war, but also ended over 100,000 lives. Government officials praised them as heroes, but others began to question. Had their patriotism been used against them? Years later, many women of Oak Ridge would say the same thing. We didn't know what we were doing. We just did our duty. Their innocence became the foundation of America's nuclear age. They had no weapons, no uniforms, no medals. Yet their quiet labor shaped the dawn of a new era, the atomic era. And as decades passed, their story faded into classified files and forgotten memories. But history remembers, because without them, the Manhattan Project would never have succeeded. The women who built the bomb never saw the full picture. They just followed orders, turned the dials, and changed the fate of humanity forever. They were mothers, daughters, lovers, each playing a silent part in a deadly symphony they never heard. The Calitron girls. Heroes? Victims? Or both? The echoes of Oak Ridge still hum in the dark. In every nuclear plant, in every missile silo, you can still feel their fingerprints. Because once Pandora's box was opened, it could never be closed again. And so, history whispers their names. The women who built America's secret bomb factory. Not warriors,
not scientists, but the forgotten hands that forge the power of the sun. If you ever wonder how ordinary people can change the course of history, remember them. The women who built the bomb without ever knowing it.
Their story is one of mystery, secrecy, and unimaginable consequence. And it all began with a job they thought was just another paycheck.
The story of Oak Ridge remains a haunting reminder that sometimes the most powerful weapon isn't a bomb, it's silence.
And the women who kept that silence changed the world forever.
If you want more dark history videos like this, subscribe and discover the secrets history tried to bury.